Every Sunday, I spend 2 hours in my kitchen and I do not have to think about food for the rest of the week. No decision fatigue at 6 p.m., no expensive takeout, and no wasted groceries. Here is the exact system. 1 protein, 2 carbs, 3 vegetables. That is the whole formula. Cook all 3 in parallel using oven, stovetop, and Instant Pot. Get your containers out and labeled before you cook anything. Season and roast a big batch of chicken, beef, or fish first. While it cooks in the oven, do everything else. Protein takes the longest. Starting at first is the key. 1 large pot of rice or quinoa covers the whole week. Roast a full tray of sweet potatoes at the same time. These 2 items become the base for 10 or more meals. Pre-chop all vegetables before you cook a single thing. Bag them by meal type or by vegetable. 15 minutes of chopping gives you 5 meals worth of vegetables. Write out all 5 dinners before you shop, not after. Prevents buying food you do not have a plan for. A printed meal planner makes this a 10-minute Sunday ritual. The free weekly meal planner printable in the description is exactly what I use every Sunday. Grab it from the link below and try this system this weekend. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.